Hi, this is Soumya. I'm a trainer at PTE Training Centre, and today I'm going to explain a question type from speaking of PTE, which is repeat sentences. So I will start today by explaining the marking scheme. So this question has integrated marking, so I would like to explain integrated marking scheme further on. Integrated marking criteria means that one question can improve your skills in the other sections as well. Like from this question repeat sentence, you can get marks for your listening and your speaking. Obviously this question comes under speaking, so you get marks for your speaking, but along with that you get marks for your listening as well. So if you want to improve your listening, you can work on this particular question type. Then I will like to explain the basic information about this. In your PTE exam, you can have 10 to 12 repeat sentences, and there will be some sentences played and you just have to repeat them, and there will be 3 seconds gap between the sentences and your actual response, and then you have to just say it. Okay, now I would like to explain the marking criteria for this question. Basically, for this question, your marking criteria depends on 3 factors. One is your content, because you are getting marks for your listening, so content is very important for this question. So you have to repeat the sentence or the words as it is if you can. And the other thing is your oral fluency. Obviously you can't repeat the sentence with pauses, you have to just repeat it smoothly. And the third thing for this question is partial marking. Partial marking means that you don't have to repeat the sentence 100% right, but if you are repeating some words like 50% or 80% of the sentence, you can still get some marks on the number of right words that you repeat. So I would like to explain fluency further on. That what is fluency? Fluency means that you have to repeat the sentence in a smooth manner, without any hesitations, without fumbling, without taking unnatural pauses and all these things. It has to be in constant pace. Now the other thing was content, because this question gives marks for your listening, so content is also very important. So if you will get marks in your listening only when you will repeat the content right. You can still get marks for your speaking if you are repeating the sentence fluently, but you won't get marks for your content. So try to repeat the words as it is if it's possible there. Now I'm going to explain the tips, some tips to improve your repeat sentences. And first one is just make up a sentence. If you miss something, don't panic there, just add some words from your own and just make a sentence and repeat there in a fluent manner. The other thing is tonality. Try to copy the tonality of the speaker, that way you can improve your repeat sentences as well. Now I would like to close the video by saying some things that you don't have to do there in your exam. First thing is that don't worry about repeating 100% right. Just repeat as many as you can, and you can get 8 in each easily, even if you are repeating 80% or more than 80% of the sentence. So don't worry about the 100% right sentences. And the other thing is, make sure that you start only when it starts recording. Thank you very much. We will be back soon with some other tips for the other questions in speaking. Thank you.